These are lifts at the Hilton in New York from lobby to 15. They look like OTIS. I think they are OTIS. Go up to 15. Capacity 3,000 lbs. And it's an OTIS. This is 11 lift car number 2. Not the fastest lift ever. Here at 15. Go back down to the lobby. Quite a nice cab. With a security camera up there. Nice carpet. Sticky fixture. Well, you know what I mean. Very loose. Little nice light thing up there. New York Hilton, Midtown. TV screen is broken on this one. You're at lobby. Let's go to the ones that go from 15 to 24. This button's now secure. Actually, I'll just see if any of these two come down. 5, 4, oh yeah. I'll let that one go quickly. 2 at the same time. Which one's empty? Just one. Go up to 24. In my hotel I've had to move room because it was extremely small that you could hardly move around. Capacity 3,000 lbs. And it's an OTIS. Same cab as the other one. Not really needing to do that. You're on the express zone. From 5 to 15. This TV screen's not really working either. It's 3:21 currently. I know what that is in English time. We're at floor 24. Back down to the lobby. Door closed, I'll push the button like that. Stopping at 17. Hello. Hi.
Выключить нормально?
And extremely quickly, I'm facing the wall. We'll go here to these ones, 24 to 34. They seem to all be going up. That's in the express, that's in the express, and that's a welcome 27. This is express coming down. Oh yes, it is. Here it is. Push button doesn't work on this one. No.
Okay. Well, we'll figure that out though. You can change here. You probably should take one of the other Macs, or is that one?
That helps if he actually knows how to read. That's probably nerdery, that's fine. Unless actually being a nerd doesn't make you know.
See here the door open button gets stuck. And this door close button won't. Nope. I said more the door close button, please click. And as you can see, these are OTIS. Oh, not again. Nudge mode, doors are broken. Oh, one of these ones that serves this floor as well. We'll try going up again. Because these shouldn't be stopping at this floor. They should start from 34 anyways, is this one. After being broken. This is empty again. Now let's try, 44. 44. Okay, insert room key to access floor 42 to 44. Let's go 34. This one's probably express. We're going, yep, up we go. We're at 34. Okay. Not even if I keep hold of it. Let's go down to lobby. Same cab. Nice lighting around the edge. Same old broken TV screen. I don't know if that's for Hilton itself that's doing that. Normal OTIS fixtures. And capacity 3000. LBS, my ears just popped. Oh, we're stopping at 5. Actually, that gives me a good excuse to take these from 34 to 44. Press up. That one's all the way from 42. Should be this one. Here apparently we have the fitness centre. 2. Go on, 3, 4, 5. Nope, stop. 2. Oh, got this one. This came down from the top floor. Espresso and 5. And of course it's empty. See, can we go up to 44? Yes, we can. 44 should be locked. Apparently the keycard reader had a little green light there. Sneaky. Press and still, these ones have to go up all the way to 34. You should not be allowed to 39 without your keycard, but I made it. We're at 44. Go back down to lobby. These are the last lifts here. So thank you guys so much for